Do you miss CSGO?
No.
No?
Kenny on sight, straight in his face, doesn't hit the no-scope, doesn't hit the pistol. Kenny, would you believe it?
He fucking goes up the ladder to enter and does the little wiggle thing and flies down on the pallet without taking any damage. That he's a good clutch shooter.
Especially because the CT side is their better side. It's their T side where they really struggle.
What? Scream! Is this real?
Much more utility to work with. Here he comes once again. The first base is a Dren. He's going to hit the ground there as Cold. Oh! What? A jumping double from Cold! What is going on right now? How does he do this?
Goodbye, my friend.